Next part of a header is a logo. We bring in a logo as an image, and you can do that with the image or an icon, or of course now with the new SVG module. Go to layers. Let's see what's going on here. Here's the header, section, row, column, and inside our column we have the menu element. Click on the three dots, add element, and I will select our image module for that. And it drops it below the menu. That's fine. We'll work on that very soon. Click on it to bring in our logo. Contributes. Three things we want to do here. We want it to be on the left. We want it to be smaller, and we want it nicely balanced. First, how do we do that? Select the column, design, layout, and make sure it is set to row. Now, these elements modules are nicely placed next to each other within a row. To get our logo in front of our menu, we go to the layers panel on the left, grab the image and just drag it up, and now we have as so. We want our menu to remain on the right, and we want our logo to be on the left, and that is easily done with a flex setting. Select the parent container, which is the column. Design, layout. We've already put it on row, and justify content, we select this one, space between. It takes the elements. If you only have two, it's going to put one on the left and the other one on the right. Very awesome. Select it, and we achieve that. To make sure also that they are nicely center aligned, we go to align items and select center, and this looks more to what we want to do. Select the logo, design. Let me just close the layout here, sizing, and we change the width 160 pixels. That looks much better. That's our logo. With the image selected, go to content and then link. Image link URL, and all I will do here is type /home. Alternatively, you go to this option here, insert dynamic content, and you select page link, select page, select home, apply. That is a better way to do it, especially to impress people, and you add the page link basically as dynamic content. Let's go and test it. Save it. And we go to the front end. We still have this tab open. I will uncheck Pixify for the moment. Let's navigate to services and then click on contributes, and it takes us to the home page. Let's go to about, click on contributes, and it takes us to the home page. Back to Divi Builder, and now we have to look on tablet. Works on tablet? Yes. And go to phone. Same thing. I'm not going to mess around with the padding at the moment. I know it doesn't look good, but remember my goal is to make this overlay for this section and every page we will be working on. So what I will do eventually is once we go to overlay, I will start playing around with that. For now, I will leave it as is. With this selected, we have created one for our tablet and for our phone. We can have a quick look on the front. Activate Pixify again. If you want to know more about Pixify, check the link in the description. But you can try it for free. Just go into the extensions, whether it's for a Chrome-based browser or Firefox, and look for Pixify, and you will find this extension very helpful. Go back to the top where our header is, and we can see it. There's our drop down. Everything looks good. And now, because we've added contributes here, our logo to the left, you can see that the container size has shrunk. That should also raise an alarm in your head. What can be done here? If you have too much content in your tablet and mobile devices header section in the same line, this box is going to shrink, and that's going to give you trouble if your links do not fit in properly. So keep that in mind. In this case, it works perfectly. Look here on the 360 pixels widescreen device. It still looks really nice, and we can easily navigate around from here.